Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are today in this video, job opportunity from Genpact, work location Hyderabad. Graduates can apply for this position. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers, those are visiting channel for a first time. Viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. As we discussed, company Genpact, work location Hyderabad. They are hiring process associate, customer care, non-voice process. In order to apply for this position, viewers, eligibility criteria includes qualification we seek in you. Minimum qualification, any graduate. If you've done your graduation in any stream, you are eligible for this position. PG will be added advantage but not compulsory. Any graduates, freshers are eligible, proficient in English. Even freshers can apply for this position, viewers, who will possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Preferred qualification includes effective probing skills and analyzing, understanding skills, problem solving skills with customer centric approach, able to work on flexible schedule including weekend shift work. So candidate need to be flexible enough to work in weekends. Job responsibilities includes provide resolution to maintain standards of quality, recognize trends and patterns and raise issues timely, provide insights to help improve the support to the users, maintain thorough understanding of process and policies, provide excellent customer service to our customers. So basically candidate need to be customer centric. And yes, primary location is Hyderabad, full time employment. Job is posted on Jan 20, 2021 and posting date still not declared. Job is still in active position. Those who are interested can apply for this position by clicking apply now button here. So it is redirecting to the page where I can apply for this particular position. Obviously selected language English and I need to accept terms and conditions. Here I need to enter login details. I am a new user, so I need to create account. So I am clicking on register. Those who have already registered in Genpact career site, you can enter your username and password and apply for this particular position. I am a new user, so I am clicking on register now button, where I need to enter username, password, re-enter password, email address, register, and you can apply by entering login ID and password. Hope this video is useful for you viewers. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.